Ticket Car Track Online. From a fuel voucher to complete fleet management solution. Can you see how your fleet is performing? There are a set of visible costs occurring at this moment. How can you identify and manage it? Do you know that an necessary idling time consumes a lot of liters per hour? Speed has a big impact on fuel consumption. 10% of costs can be reduced by the way the vehicle is conducted. As you can see, driver behavior can impact drastically fleet performance. And much more. How can you control it? Identify opportunities and manage it in a very simple way. A set of dashboards and reports. Visualize your vehicles in real time. Have a complete knowledge about fleet activities in one centralized web-based interface. Soon, mobile app. More innovation and convenience for fleet managers. With tangible results. Ticket Car Track Online provides visibility into fuel consumption, labor costs, maintenance and other insights into driver behavior. Reduce operating and capital costs in about 20%. Even better, win-win situation, better performance with cost reduction, reduces and prevents traffic accidents, helps by reducing the carbon footprint, an inventive solution that can easily be applied to the whole world.